Let's add a server in OEC.sh. First, log into your OEC.sh account using your email and password. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to Settings, then navigate to Organization. From there, open Cloud Accounts and click on Add Cloud Account. Select the cloud provider you want to connect. Enter your account name and API token. Then click on Connect and Continue. Once the connection is successful, click Done. After that, make sure to click on Resync to sync all resources properly. Now head over to the Server section. Click on Provision New to add a new server. Select the cloud account you just connected, then choose your preferred region and select the server size according to your requirements. After that, click on Provision Server. Your server provisioning will now begin. OEC.sh will automatically set up and configure the server for you. Once the setup is complete, click on the 3 dots next to your server and select Test Connection. If the connection is successful, your server is ready to use. You can also monitor your server from the Operations section. There, you can view the total number of servers, CPU usage, and memory usage in real time. You have successfully added and configured your server in OEC.sh.